Step 1. Pre-operation safety and machine checks. Before operating the crimper, perform a complete inspection. Determine whether the unit is single-phase or three-phase. A certified electrician must install the correct plug before operation. Check the oil level in the reservoir tank. Grease the springs inside the crimper head. Step 2. Powering the machine on. Turn the breaker switch to the on position. Press the green start button to engage the machine. Step 3. Selecting dies and setting crimp specifications. Verify the correct crimp specifications for your hose and crimp coupling series using the Pulsar crimp specification charts. Choose the die set closest to the finished crimp specification without going over. For example, if the final crimp is 20.8 mm, select the 19 mm die. Switch to manual mode by pressing the blue mode button until the icon with opposing arrows is lit. Press the open button until it is wide enough to fit the die in. Press the close button as you line up the pins on the die with the holes and close it as far as it will go. Step 4. Set the final crimp measurement. Press the red shift button. The crimp value on the display will begin to flash. Use the arrow buttons to adjust to the correct measurement. If the final crimp specification needed is 20.8 mm and you are using the 19 mm die set, then your control setting would be 1.8. Press Shift again until the display stops flashing. Then press the open button again until it is open enough to fit the hose in. Step 5. Choose the crimping mode. Option 1. Manual mode. Press the blue mode button until the icon with opposing arrows is lit. Hold the manual crimp button until the crimp cycle finishes. Press the retract button to reopen the dies. Option 2. Foot pedal mode. Press mode until the foot pedal symbol illuminates. Feed the hose from the back of the crimper so the fitting is visible at the front. Press and hold the foot pedal. The machine will automatically stop when the crimp is complete. Option 3. Semi-automatic mode. Press mode until the semi-auto symbol lights up. Feed hose from the back of the machine. Position the fitting, then press and hold the white button to begin crimping. The machine releases automatically at the final crimp. Step 6. Inspecting the final crimp. Use a caliper to measure the finished crimp diameter. Ensure the measurement matches the required millimeter specification. Step 7. Removing the dies. Reset the crimp spec to 0.0 using the Shift button. Set the machine to manual mode. Press the close button to close the die all the way so you can insert the die handle. Press the open button to disengage the die set. Remove the dies from the crimper head. Power off the machine.